Hey guys, today we're going to cover something simple and practical. Stick around and you'll know exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you a quick breakdown of VMware, VirtualBox, and Hyper-V in 2025, so you can decide which virtualization software fits your needs. VMware is known for its powerful performance, enterprise features, and smooth experience, but it comes at a cost. Best for professionals and businesses. VirtualBox, on the other hand, is completely free and open source. It's user-friendly, supports many operating systems, and works well for students, hobbyists, and developers, though it's not as fast as VMware. Then we have Hyper-V, which is Microsoft's built-in option for Windows Pro and Enterprise. It integrates well with Windows, is reliable, but it's less flexible for non-Windows users. Bottom line, VMware is best for professionals, VirtualBox for everyday users and learners, and Hyper-V for Windows-focused environments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.